Hey there, how you doing, folks? Name's Grease Gobster, and I'm here to tell you why you don't want to mess with me and my pals, FOG. That's fats, oils, and grease. You pour us down the drain, and we cause all kinds of trouble. Trust me, you don't want that. You see, when you pour fog down the sink, we don't just disappear, we slide down the pipes, cool off, and turn solid. Next thing you know, we're clogging up your pipes and messing with your sewer system. And nobody wants an overflow in the kitchen or a backup in the neighborhood, capiche? So, how do you get rid of us the right way? Easy. After cooking, you let the grease cool off, then scrape it into a container. An old can or jar works just fine. Once it's full, toss it in the trash or recycle it at your local hazardous waste collection facility. And for those oily pans, wipe them down with a paper towel before you wash them. Simple as that. Remember, folks, keeping fog out of the drains keeps your pipes clean and your sewers flowing smooth. Do the right thing, or you might just have me and my crew showing up at your home. And trust me, nobody wants that. Okay, I'll see you around, but I hope not. Stay smart, keep it clean,